Hey everyone, welcome to Altitude University. Today we're going to discuss a topic that we received a lot of emails regarding, which is how much you can make as a drone pilot. Whether you're a freelancer on your own or hired full-time, drone piloting can be a lucrative career path. Let's take a look at the high and the low sides of what you can earn. Before jumping into the numbers, make sure to let us know if you enjoy content like this by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. If you want to become a drone pilot or sharpen your skills, click the link below to check out some of our drone courses. So when we talk about the money drone pilots can make, we need to consider 2 points. First, are you a freelancer or a full-time employee? And second, how much are you willing to work? Freelance pilots work for themselves, running their own companies or operating through drone pilot networks such as Droners.io or DroneUp. Full-time employees are hired by another company and they work set hours under specific terms and conditions. There are pros and cons to each path. In general, freelance pilots have income that isn't guaranteed but is only limited by the amount of work that they can find. Full-time employees get a set paycheck, but most of the time they know what they're going to make each week. You'll need to decide which path is best for you. If you choose full-time employment, remember to factor in some of the perks of working for someone else, such as medical insurance, 401ks, and vacation time. The second part of how much you're willing to work comes down to how much you want to hustle. This applies more to you freelance pilots out there. If you only want to work on Saturdays once a week, you're probably going to be making a lot less than someone who's willing to fly every single day, so keep that in mind. Now, let's get into some of the numbers here. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the median pay for drone pilots is around $46,000 per year, with the top 10% earning more than $103,000 a year. This means that there's a lot of earning potential in this field, but it can also vary greatly depending on your experience, your skills, and the type of work that you do. If you're a freelance drone pilot, you have the potential to earn more money, but you also have to factor in the cost of your equipment, your insurance, and other expenses. However, you'll have the freedom to choose your own projects and set your own rates, which can lead to a higher income. If you're hired full-time as a drone pilot, you'll typically earn a salary and benefit package. This can be sustainable and secure income, but it also may come with a lower earning potential than freelancing. Remember that your earning potential as a drone pilot can also vary based on the type of work that you're doing. For example, filming events like weddings or concerts may pay a lot less than surveying land for a construction company or inspecting power lines for utility companies. In general, the more specialized your equipment and the more complex the products your clients are looking for, the more money you can charge. So more specialized drone pilots can be higher earners in the right market. In conclusion, drone piloting can be a lucrative career path with a lot of earning potential. Whether you're a freelancer or hired full-time, there are high and low sides to what you can earn. It's important to consider your experience, skills, and the type of work that you do when deciding on your rates or your salary. If you're interested in becoming a drone pilot or you want to improve your skills, check out the current courses available on our website by clicking the link below. That's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one.